Alright, well, this is a cold start of my 1974 Custom Deluxe K10. As you can see, she's cold. Just gotta be in there. Alright, so I don't know how y'all do it, but I just turn her once for me, turn her twice. Sometimes I give her a little tap daddy. Crank her right up. Doors open. Old hinges. She's dirty. Gas gauge don't work. But I don't know if you can see that. She's got 60,000 original miles on her. She's cold, boy. It's been, what is it, like 26 right now? It says it feels like 17. The radio don't work, the speaker's out, as you can see. This wasn't really taken care of, but she was just an old logging truck. Heater works. Can't get that idle to engage. I had some buckshots on here, but they were dry rotted. I did me a swap with an old boy. As you can see, these are in pretty decent shape. They're about 5 years old compared to 30-year-old Q7s. Let her just warm up for a quick little second here. Turn signals work. Oh, horn works. Old girls work here. Lights work. Got the good old floor vents. Of course, your nut coolers. Pretty sure this here is the 203 transfer case, which is all-time four-wheel drive, which really here in high lock it's two-wheel drive, and then as she engages, I think after second gear, correct me if I'm wrong. Now she caught her idle. Sometimes she catches it right off the bat, sometimes she's a little slow on her. Of course, 74. Wish they'd have took care of that, but I'm gonna flatbed her and throw a flatbed on her and some nice, pretty wood back there. She's a little rusty. Got some Bondo work. Gotta get that there. That's the only spot that's not got yet. Has a little bit of a ting there, but old hood needs it. By the way, notorious for it, but she's tacked together. Scoot over, big boy. Come on now. Come on now. You ain't driving. Water from yesterday when took him out. She's froze pretty well. You know, you gotta keep it original with the old duct tape seats there. You know, that's the color she's gonna be again. I don't know if you can see that. She's pretty dirty up there, really. Everything's pretty foggy. I'm gonna replace everything that I possibly can, but I really want it to be as original as I can. But some things are broke. You know, and this here, I don't really know how to clean that up very well. I tried a couple different things, but it really didn't do it. 60,997 original miles. Needs some new window seals, of course. He's just wondering why I haven't drove yet and why we ain't going to go play. Ain't that right? Almost sounds like I got a little bit of a lifter ticking now, but it's not too shabs. Got some little tax pieces there, of course. Starting to warm up a little bit there, girl. This thing here lived in a town of like 80 or 180, one of the two. And I'm the fourth owner, really the third owner. The original buyer from this here Chevy passed away and his daughter had it, so that made her the second owner. She never drove it. And then old boy, basically 3 houses down, bought it. And then he didn't want to do nothing with it. He's about 60 himself. And I got lucky enough to save her. All she's ever done really is loaded some wood in the back, which I got a weight bench back there right now, and hauled some cars. Really runs pretty strong. You know, sometimes she jerks here and there, but it's really a pretty good, solid little truck. It's not your completely perfect restored vehicle, but like here, she'll probably jump into this since my idles. Oh yeah, girl. She's not bad. She needs some love, but really she's pretty solid. Here, I'll drive it down the road. Ice is finally melting, or going away at least, half-ass salted. See, she just shifted there. On 203, 3-speed. Drives great at 50 mile an hour. Turn signal. She don't jump or nothing. Rides like a dream. Down here in the city, cheaper rent, you know it, but she drives pretty strong. She got a shift kit in that old 350 turbo tranny. Got old copper over here in this here parking lot. But old girl's just gonna cruise on right by him. He's over there somewhere. Old push-pull mechanism still up there. Gotta appreciate another nice Chevy. She's pretty. Here, we'll get on it a little bit here. Oh yeah, she's a dream, baby. Here, first gear, probably spin it a little bit here. Oh, not enough ice. That old sunshine's done come out. Woo! She's bright out here, ain't she, buddy? My God. Are you getting excited? Why are you getting excited? We're just about to go right back to the house. Chill out, boy. As you can see, she drives pretty damn great. Great to my satisfaction. I love her. Stops great. Brakes work. I'd throw my dog down if I hit the brakes any harder. You know? So yeah, I break them loose in first gear. Other than that, she don't break loose. Pull her in the old garage here. So I can look at her. You know, I'm always loving to look at her. Don't lift it if you can't afford a nice big pole barn. Oh, idle engages all the time, you know. I just give her a little, and it usually swats her back down. We You just wait right there for a minute, Bubba. Recycling nasty bin there. Ah. Some newbies, you know it, but you'll have that. What the fuck is that? My alternator kicking on or something? Y'all hear that? I don't know what the fuck that was. Shop's a mess right now.